Living the Dream with OmégaPro. As one of the largest global pioneers of the fast-paced and luxurious modern-day lifestyle, OmégaPro is shattering the boundaries of language, culture and geography as an enormous marketing platform equipped with custom-crafted services and solutions that endorses the motto of building wealth without border for people without borders. A Hawkeye vision set on creating a revolutionary debt-free future, OmégaPro is here to endorse a one-of-a-kind financial freedom that has changed as many as 18 lakh lives in more than 100 countries since 2019. Growing up in countries with a large population, constrained opportunities, and learning to coach your dreams limited to the knowledge of your reality is almost every 20 or 30-something's ultimate truth. There is a face, rather a significant instance in every teen life stepping into the shoes of a young adult where the fantasy of utopia slowly starts to ghost them as pragmatism and practicality claw their way in. A couple more years into college, guest starring the ever-so-repelling Mr. Reality, the illusion of that dream is chopped into tiny pieces of aghast despair that now awaits the whistle ready to kick off the rat race. While for the majority of the crowd, the dream remains a fiction, some refuse their wings to be strapped down and kept idle till it no longer knows how to fly, and OmégaPro intends to serve exactly those chosen few. With a ginormous vision to elevate itself as the world's #1 multilingual and multicultural marketing platform, OmégaPro is altering the means of geography and creating the notion of a modern-day hustle culture that promotes abundant growth, rock-solid stability and a secure future with the tool of adept financial freedom. Already a 1.8 million strong community in a short span of more than 3 years that's growing by the blink of an eye, OmégaPro is here to change every life it touches. The OmégaPro impact is unmistakable, to say the least, for there are the humans and the humane, real stories of real people that force you to sit up straight and take notice. Hear it from our community. A recent campaign from #OmégaPro has brought the unheard and unseen to the forefront as members of the #OmégaPro family share their raw, unfiltered life experiences before and after encountering OmégaPro's services. Here are the excerpts. Before OmégaPro, I could not afford diapers for my youngest child. I could not afford education for my older child, and wait, it only gets worse. I did not have enough money to even buy baby food. Thanks to OmégaPro, I now have a well-secured future. Dipavi, Ghana. The COVID-19 pandemic made it extremely difficult for me and my family to make our ends meet and find work-from-home jobs. Since discovering the services of OmégaPro, we have never looked back. This really is the eighth wonder of the world that has taken us from an Activa to an Audi. Anuvanches, India. The phenomenal OmégaPro community makes it a point to empower the voiceless, and it is branching out with every passing second to bigger avenues with astonishing numbers. A simple leap of faith can turn a life upside down, and Farrell H. from Turkey sets a classic example where his OmégaPro rendezvous now rewards him with the finest quality of higher education that he has always dreamt of. The sunny shores of the Philippines usher in the tale of Gayle, a woman who dared to dream so big that even repeated disappointments could not dull her shine. Determined to pay for her schooling all by herself and make it big in the music industry at the same time, and calls OmégaPro the turning stone of her life. Join the revolution. The stories are infinite. The emotions are boundless. OmégaPro inspires the paradigm of a lifetime where you take the charge of your life and transform it yourself. It sets the benchmark for new opportunities for the less opportune and delivers effortlessly. It is the community of tomorrow. The time to take action is now. The time to be fearless is now. The time to wake up to a brand new life is now. Take advantage of the OmégaPro momentum today. To know more about OmégaPro, connect with them on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.